Hello everybody, in today's episode on Graynificent, we will be doing a little bit of unboxing of something new we just purchased. So, let's get to it. So we just got ourselves a brand new film scanner, the Epson V600. So I will be showing you a little bit of unboxing and how to set it up with your first film scan. So let's get to it. So let's lay this down. Get ourselves a knifey and cut this boxy open. So get in there. And inside we got some information booklet, instructions, stuff like that. And let's get this. Of course, we got our USB cable. Let's put this down. And in the box, we got the film slides. We only get one of each for medium format and for film negatives and film slides. So if you would want more of these, you have to purchase them separately. Sometimes some stores give them as extras. I didn't get any extras, so you can't be loading new film in while the other film is scanning. We got our software disk. Of course, most computers these days don't have CD drives or anything like that. So we will have to download the software from Epson directly. Either way. We got our power cord and the power brick. I'm all alone in this, as you can see, so it's a little bit harder. You should have somebody to help you with this. You should. But I always have to do everything alone. Let's see. Alright, just like that. Away you go. And now let's take it out of this plasticky bag. And of course we gotta take these tape off. That keeps it locked so it doesn't open up in the box. Okay, just like that. It's quite big. I imagined it a little bit smaller. Wow, the lid was stuck shut from the foil on here, so if you're having a harder time lifting it up, just lift up the corners here because it might be stuck to the foil as well, and it stays open just like that. We have this little sheet of paper here, and on top we have another piece of blue tape inside. That prevents this slide from coming off. That came off very easily. Okay, but that's if you're just scanning regular documents. So you put this back in. When you're scanning film, you have this. You have the top scanning part. So you insert it right where it came from, just like that, and it stays in there. I keep being afraid that it's gonna just drop and shut, but as you can see, it doesn't shut that easily, so there shouldn't be no worry that it's gonna drop all by itself. Okay, so let's close this for now. And from the rear, over here, back here, we got the USB port, lock, and unlocks and locks. So let's connect it up to power. Let's power it up. Try to keep your cables nice and straight so they don't twist and turn in all different directions. Connected right there. Connect the power cable to this. Let's get the USB out. And this one, we have to unlock the USB port, connect the USB. I don't know what the lock does. It doesn't lock the USB to prevent it from coming out. So, alright, we got the scanner connected. Now let's take our little USB-C adapter and connect it to our MacBook. So we press the power button and we get a green light that it lights on. Very good. And so we click allow, that we're allowing accessories to connect. And we go on Google, we search for Epson V600 scanner software for Mac. So when you search for it, you go to Epson Perfection V600 photo scanners from the Epson website directly. So from here you choose macOS 14.x and go. The scanner driver in Epson Scan 2 utility. So we click on download, agree, and when it's downloaded we install it. All done with the installation, we can move the install file to trash and download Silverfast SE. Choose your scanner, Perfection V600. You have to enter your scanner's hardware serial number. You have to fill out your information and you register. Here you got the option to download your software. And again, you can choose the latest macOS that is available here and show downloads. And you choose the Silverfast SE. Yes, you allow for files to be downloaded. Okay, and now that we have this installed over here, we click close. We can move to trash the install file and we can run Silverfast 8. Here you agree for updating and all that, sending information. We choose our source, Epson Perfection, English, start. And of course we have to enter our serial, the serial number that we got by email when we registered our printer in the previous steps. And click on unlock when you got your information in. And click on continue. And now we take our scanning. I'll be doing some medium format scanning. We could take this blue tape off of here. This is a little piece that you inserted with the film when the film's curled. We might try that out one day. So let's now insert some film. Of course we have locks over here. You just grab this by the sides and open it up. Just like that. Let's get ourselves some medium format. Oh, let's go with this over here. So of course, take a blower, get as much dust off of it as you can. Take a look at it if there's no fingerprints on your film. And of course, put it on the frame here, just like that. Lock it in place. Just like this. We can blow it off a bit more. Make sure it's quite flat. It's laying quite nicely and flat, so not worried about that. We put it on the plate. We have the letter B over here that goes on to here on this side. It's lettered B right in this corner right here, just like that. And we close the scanner, just like that. And now here in the software, we can choose different photo qualities. We'll set it as standard so we can do a faster scan. You can choose TIFF or JPEG or PSD, whatever you want. Here we have to choose transparency. And let's do pre-scan. And so we got the scan. It looks like this because of course, we have it marked as positive over here. So we have to change this to negative, that we scanned the negative. And now, as you can see, we've got some prints. We have to put this frame over them, because if the frame is a little bit off, you might be getting different results, just like that. And as we can see, the photos are coming out quite nicely from these scans. We can check the histogram here. We can do some edits if we want to do the edits in here. But I prefer not to do any edits inside here exactly. Just pure scans, just like they are. We can choose specific frames, just like this. And of course we can, in Negafix, we can choose the film we have, to be more specific, Kodak. And we have Kodak Portra. Where do we have Portra? Kodak Portra 400. Kodak Portra 400. And as you see, the colors have changed a bit, more corrected according to this film stock. And I will scan it. Let's see what's the best quality we can scan it here at. We can do 527 megabit files at 3200 pixels per inch. So let's try to scan it at that size, and we will see when it's done, and we will see how long it takes to scan 4 medium format photos, 6x4.5. That's a strip of 120 film in 3200 pixels per inch. So let's measure the time. So we are done. It took 5 minutes to scan. So let's see how it came out. Still processing here. But we got full screen here. And keep in mind that this is 4 photos scanned at the same time. And we got all this beautiful quality, beautiful prints could be made from this. We still have some areas that didn't load because a large file size like this will take its time to load on your computer, depending on how fast your computer is. As you see, it's loading up, so these blurry spots are disappearing. But as you can see, there's just some dust. I don't know if we had dust removal turned on or not. I will have to look into that more exactly. And there will be more tutorials on how to use the Silverfast program with the Epson scanner. This was just a short tutorial how to get it set up and running right out of the box quickly, just like that. So if you like this video, please remember to hit the subscribe button. It shows me that I make helpful and interesting content. So thank you for watching, my friends. Take care and see you in the next video.